In this video, I will be showing you how to install qBittorrent. So let's get started. First thing, just Google qBittorrent. We'll be having the official website qBittorrent.org. Select this. Here we will be having the download option. Click it. We're having the downloads for Windows, Mac as well as Linux. So I'll just go to Windows. I will just go with the Windows 1. Here we are having download latest version. Select this. The download will be getting started. It is around 41 MB in size. Just be patient. Once the download is complete, just open it. Select the language of your choice and click on OK. Select next. Read the license agreement. Next. I will just check this create desktop shortcut, and you can just customize which one you want to check and uncheck over here. I'll just go with the default one. Next. This is going to be the default location where it will be installed. If you want to change it, click on browse and change it and select install. Once it is done, make sure that you're checking launch qBittorrent and click on finish. We'll be getting this pop-up. Click on OK. We'll be getting the qBittorrent interface like this. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.